Alright folks, here we are. Got my buddy here, Jaren Salzman. We're going to come in here and see if we can stick us a deer this evening. Jared, are you ready, buddy? Alright folks, we're on our route. Headed to the back side of the ranch here. Just give you an idea just how wet this country is. I've been here my entire life. And I'm 50 years old, and I've never seen this country this wet. It's interesting on how this game has come in. Look at all the ducks out there, folks. The old Popash Slough run here. Me and Ed come through here earlier today. Had a nice gator laid up here on the bank. He's right here somewhere. But we're headed out to see if we can stick us some meat deer this evening. So y'all stay tuned. See what happens. All the cattle laid up here on the road, Ed.
Yep.
Look at the hogs right here, boys. Look at the hogs right here. Well, I'll tell you what, folks. This water's got everything pushed out of these old swamps. That just gives you an idea. It's about 3:45. I want y'all to look at them hogs running off. They better be glad we ain't hog hunting. How cool is that? Heck, we're still 1.5 miles from the stand, and we just got animals popping out here in front of us. Jared.
What's right in front of us?
In front of us, buddy. I believe it's gonna be a good day, folks.
That's boar hog.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at him smelling them other hogs up. Boy, I tell you what, folks. I'll tell you. Here I am. I'm deer hunting deer day. And I got daggum hogs walking here in front of me. And let's so y'all understand, this is open range. This ranch here is right at 4,000 acres. Alright folks, here we are. We got set up after we got through the hogs. Well, my perfect timing. It's about 5 o'clock. We're gonna get this pulled off. Got a nice little setup here. Boys ready? You ready, buddy? Alright, good deal. Alright, folks, here we are. Me and Jared was sitting there. It was 12 minutes after 6. We got a southeast wind. The deer come in behind us from the northwest. 3 does and a buck. And they smelled us. So we got all weekend. We'll get this bad boy figured out. So stay tuned. Alright folks, here we are. Next morning. 6:38. The owls are started hooting. evening hunt. We got busted yesterday evening. This morning everything come in between 5:15 and 5:40 because this crazy weather we're having. So we've regrouped. Come to a different stand on the ranch today, or this evening I should say. We'll see what happens, so stay tuned. We've seen plenty of game, just ain't had the right